Go ahead.
Okay. Uh, all right. Do you see my screen right now?
Yes.
All right. Today is April the 10th, 2:25 in the afternoon Pacific Standard Time. I have here my coach Dennis, and I'm glad to be a part of his team. And today we are going to record how are we going to get started with Pi. I hope that this training will help you out to get started as well. All right, so go ahead. The floor is yours, Coach Dennis.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, so uh, okay, when you go to your screen, so go to your browser. So whatever browsers you have in your phone, if you have Chrome, Safari, you can open it. So
All
which you prepared the browser. Okay.
all
Now
right.
the website is py.xyz. So that's simple as unique as possible. To be honest, I love the websites. Okay. So this is where are going to go if you want to register or do the KYC on Pi. And then the next thing you have to do is click the circle purple with two lines at the top left so that you're
Okay.
able to see the sign up page.
All right, I'll do that.
Okay, and then click sign up. Perfect. Now, at this point in time, I just wanted to remind you that you should have ready your ID because we are going to do KYC after this. If you do not do the KYC, then you will not be able to participate in protocol yield. So for now, okay, right, enter your email address. So for us to sign up, make sure make sure that the email address that you're going to use there is your WAS email address that you registered with. So
Okay, I get that. One real quick question, Coach Dennis. I was not able to do my KYC yet, actually. So what do we need to do? Do we need to proceed with this, or what do we
yes,
need?
that's the reason why you haven't done yet. So that's why we click sign up. If you
Okay.
already have did the KYC, that means you have to log in, not to sign up. So the reason for sign up is because you haven't done KYC yet.
All right. All right. I'll go ahead and enter my information.
Yes, please. And then create your password for you to be able to log in on Pi.
All right.
That is going to be your login password every time you log into Pi.
All right. Do I need to necessarily put the same password using my WAS account credential or not necessarily?
I would recommend not to have the same password, but it is your preference to use if you wanted to.
Okay. So let me create a new password then. It's good to know. Thank you.
Okay? Before you proceed, okay, you can see there is a pop-up window that says Pi building a cutting-edge social finance. Okay? If you scroll up, click the add to screen. When you click that, that means it will create you a shortcut. So you don't need to go to your browser every time to open your Pi website. That means it's like a shortcut for an app. That
All right.
that is only available for iOS users. For Android users, we have available app that for you to be able to install. But for now, since you are using iOS, add to screen is the available one. So click the add to screen.
Okay. Let's do that. That's a good tip.
Okay.
Next.
Follow the you're using Safari or Chrome?
I believe it's Chrome. I clicked the Chrome before.
Okay, so if it's Chrome, it should be on Safari browser. So we will not be able to do that right now. So you can click X. It should be on Safari. So that's okay. But it's only optional and we can do that later. I can show you as well if you require to have to create shortcut. So yeah.
Sure.
Click X there. Click set on that. Okay, and then click get started. Perfect. Go now you have to go to your email to get the OTP. There you go. Perfect. Now you are registered. Congratulations.
Awesome. Wow.
Amazing. So that's how simple it is to register in Pi. Now, the next step is to pass your KYC. On the top of the screen, there is a word pass your KYC. Please click that to start the verification.
All right, let's do that.
Okay, now prepare your IDs. Okay, whatever IDs do you have. So, since you are in the US, okay, the advice to you yesterday by Chavez is to use a different IDs apart from the US IDs. Okay? So if you have your Philippine passport or Philippine ID that you have there, you can use that to verify for your verification. If you are going to use your US citizen ID or passport, US passport, it will not be accepted. So I hope you prepared that for now.
Oh my God. This is my issue. I do have my Philippine passport, but it was already expired.
Okay. So yeah, there's nothing we can do for now. If you can provide any ID like from other countries. I mean, I don't know if they can find. I remember they mentioned some ID that you can
Right.
get somewhere, but for now, yeah, they have been working on the US compliance, but it I heard yesterday on the updates that it will take probably three to 4 weeks more uh for the approval and everything, including South Africa. So yeah, this is the time for you to be creative now, coach. Find
All
some
right.
ID that is, you can use. You just need to scan the ID, and then once they notice that it's not American ID, then definitely you will pass the verification, and then you can start.
Okay. So for US membership, then we will be stuck here in this.
Yeah, for now, you'll be stuck there. But okay, while we are here, at least I can show you how to activate your Pi on your WAS account.
Yeah. And one question. Since I will not going to proceed at the moment,
Mhm.
can I invite someone who live in Philippines?
Yes, you can. Yeah,
Started.
yeah, yeah. N-
Okay.
Yeah, like I told you, just US and South Africa are having issue with the verification. So that's the one that they are that's being fixed right now, being complied or every compliance that has been asked. So yeah, looking forward for that. But sometimes the approval takes time. So
Right.
it's not on our hand. That will depends on the government or any agencies that's handling the verification process.
That makes sense. All right. So yeah, let's proceed. Whatever you want to
Okay. If
share with
you,
me.
okay, if you click the plus sign on that one, and then go to was.network, was.network, login, hello login. Okay, click the three lines, log in. So click the login that the account that you have.
The first one, right? The
Yes,
credit. Yeah, yeah.
please. Now, when you are here in your WAS back office, it's very easy to register for to buy your free license on Pi. You just have to click the three lines at the top left and then subscription and then click Pi. So these are the different licenses. So the first one is the pre-trading pass. It is there. So the only thing you need to do is click buy.
The first one, the top right.
Yes, yeah, the first buy, that word buy in the
All
green
right.
one, in the green. Yes. Now see, it's zero. So you don't have to pay anything. You don't have to worry if you have money or not on your bus back office. Just click either of the two, CFI income wallet or the top or the bottom. Just tap the circle, the white circle, the small white circle that you have there. And then put your transaction password. Have you created your transaction password on that
I
account?
think my transaction password is the same login before, but let me re-enter it.
Okay, perfect. Okay, and then click I will read and accept, and then click next. And then go to your email for the OTP. Submit. Perfect. If you scroll to the bottom, you'll be able to see your transaction details. Now, you can
Wow.
see your subscription history. Now, the next thing you have to do, okay, slide that to the left, go to the end again. There. So if you wanted to activate your subscription on Pi, you have to click coupon details.
Okay, let's activate it.
Yes. Now you can see your coupon code. Your coupon code is yours alone. It should be uh it should be for your personal use or for someone to be able if you wanted to transfer it, but make sure that it is not going to be broadcast to anyone. Make sure that it's only you. That coupon code is the one that will help you activate the Pi on the Pi platform. So once you got that coupon code, go back to your Pi website. Okay. Once your verification is verified, then you have to log into your account, and then there is a subscription tab in there where you're going to put in that coupon code to activate your license. So you're going to get a free license, and then you can invest from $10 to $100. That depends on your appetite of risk using the free license of Pi. Make
All
sense?
right. Yeah, it makes sense. So that means is now I just activate my account here at the WAS. So the only thing right now is I have to wait a couple more weeks for my KYCs to be done.
Yes, I will have a look on those ID that they are telling. They broadcast it on a Zoom somewhere that you can have an ID on this country, I believe. I don't know how much the ID will be or if it's paid or free, but if it can be done, why not? It's you don't need to have an address or anything. It's just the ID that you have to show, and then of course the liveness check, and then definitely you will get approval on it, and then you can use the Pi. So I will give you an update on that if ever I got that ID producing country that you can get that you don't need to be a citizen or you don't need to be a residence in that country.
Okay. I have a question for you, Coach Dennis. I have my nephew and niece in the Philippines.
Mhm.
I think I'm gonna help them out to get started.
Okay.
I don't know if you have time later on. I would like to call them and make an appointment. I'm planning to put them probably the first $100, and then maybe after 1 week or 2 weeks, Maybe I'm gonna let them start at like $500 each.
Okay, that's not a problem. Send me an invitation or let me know when. Let me know the timing. Okay. If it's possible that you or your nephews or your niece will be able to attend my Zoom meeting on Saturday, 2 p.m. UK time. I'll be discussing Pi and other products. Of course, we're going to have question and answers. I will be presenting Pi. I will be presenting the actual account of mine that is now earning in Pi. So at least we can say them that we can tell them that proof of Pi is really working and it's a very good product for us.
Right. So that would be what time in Philippines?
That is 9 p.m. Philippine time. So I
Oh,
believe they are already free on that time.
yeah. Actually, sometimes I receive your information, but my time is like 4 a.m.
Yeah,
So
I understand. I know. Yeah, but with the Philippine time, that is 9 p.m. I'm
okay,
actually that's the time I chose because of the market in the Philippines as well. I wanted to teach all our co-Filipino people there that you know learn these amazing opportunities.
yeah. My nephew is actually working as he's actually a tech. He
Oh,
majored in computer science.
that's nice.
So I was surprised actually. I've been doing business for a long time about crypto.
Uh-huh.
I didn't know actually that he's also doing crypto in the Philippines long time ago, maybe 4 years ago.
Wow.
so, so maybe it's good opportunity that we can,
Yeah, it's a good opportunity to meet him as well. As an IT
plug in.
as an
Yeah,
IT person, we would understand the technology.
yeah, he's actually even better for me. Actually, I ask sometimes help from him directly.
Uh-huh.
So really a big help. So I think maybe I'm gonna let him, join the training or the Zoom.
Yeah. Okay. Looking forward to see him. Looking forward to know him.
Great. I think
Okay.
that's all about it, Coach Dennis.
Okay. Okay. I'll stop the recording now. So if you can, this will be a good help to start with. If there's someone that wanted to start with, even if the verification hasn't done, probably some of the you know uh, people there might be able to have not yet converted or not yet their citizenship has been not yet been transferred. Then probably they will be able to have the IDs of wherever countries they have been, so at least they can start doing the pie and see how amazing the product is. Okay, so I'll stop
Right.
recording now, and it's good. I will save this on YouTube because definitely I won't be able to send this to you directly because it's going to be a big file. Or
Right.
yeah, I will send it in YouTube and then I can send you the link.
Great. Thank you
Okay.
so much, Coach Dennis.